Have you ever wondered about the birthplace of stars? Today, our journey takes us to a cosmic nursery where stellar life begins, the Trifid Nebula. Imagine a journey, 9,000 light-years from Earth, to a region of the night sky where stars are born. This is the Trifid Nebula, also known as Messier 20 or NGC 6514, a captivating region nestled within the constellation Sagittarius. A place where the universe reveals its creative powers, lighting up the dark expanse with intricate tendrils of gas and dust ignited by the birth of new stars. When we gaze upon the Trifid Nebula, we are beholding a cosmic entity that spans about 40 light-years in diameter. To put that into perspective, it has an estimated mass that's 8,000 times that of our Sun. Yes, that's right. 8,000 times the size of the fiery ball of gas that our own world revolves around. But what makes the Trifid Nebula truly mesmerizing is not just its size, but its function. It's a stellar nursery, a place where the raw materials of the cosmos come together to create new stars. Dense pockets of gas and dust converge, kindling the spark of stellar life. It's like watching the universe breathe life into itself, one star at a time. The Trifid Nebula is an H2 region, a classification that speaks to its intense ultraviolet radiation, courtesy of its youthful, massive stars. These giants emit ionized hydrogen gas, casting an ethereal glow that illuminates the nebula's intricate structures. But within this celestial nursery, the cycle of life and death is in constant play. It births massive stars which, after living their brief but intense lives, will eventually explode in supernovae, scattering their stellar material back into the cosmos. So let us dive deeper into the captivating story of this cosmic jewel box of starlight. The tale of the Trifid Nebula begins in the 18th century with a French astronomer named Charles Messier. In the year 1764, amid the flickering candlelight and the scratch of quill on parchment, Messier charted a three-lobed celestial wonder. His work was meticulous, dedicated to cataloging the night sky's nebulous objects, and it is in this catalog that the Trifid Nebula found its alternate name, Messier 20 or M20. Now you might wonder, why was such a catalog necessary? Well, Messier was a comet hunter. His catalog was initially a list of objects that might be mistaken for comets. But in doing so, he inadvertently created a treasure trove of deep space objects for future astronomers. The Trifid Nebula, with its distinct three-lobed appearance, was one of these treasures. Messier's discovery was more than just another entry in his catalogue. It was a window into the cosmos, a region of space where stars were born and illuminated intricate tendrils of gas and dust. It was a testament to the beauty and complexity of the universe. And thus, the Trifid Nebula was brought to human notice, waiting to reveal its secrets. The Trifid Nebula is a wondrous spectacle, filled with a complexity that leaves astronomers spellbound. Its name, Trifid, is derived from its unique three-lobed appearance. Picture a cosmic flower blooming in the infinite garden of the universe, its radiant petals unfurling in a dazzling display of stellar activity. That's the Trifid Nebula for you. But this nebula isn't all about beauty. It's an H2 region, a kind of interstellar cloud composed of ionized hydrogen. And what causes this ionization, you ask? The answer lies in the massive young stars that inhabit the nebula. These stellar youngsters emit intense ultraviolet radiation, which strips the electrons from the surrounding hydrogen atoms, creating a sea of positively charged ions. The nebula's intricate structures are a testament to the interplay between gas and dust. As the ionized gas glows brightly, it illuminates the surrounding dust, creating the nebula's distinct features. This interplay is a continuous cosmic dance, shaping and reshaping the nebula, creating a living, breathing tableau of star formation. And let's not forget about the nebula's sheer size. Spanning about 40 light-years in diameter and possessing an estimated mass 8,000 times that of the Sun, the Trifid Nebula is a colossal entity. Its vastness houses a multitude of stellar clusters, each a beacon of intense activity and potential. In essence, the Trifid Nebula is more than just an astronomical wonder. It's a dynamic entity, brimming with stellar activity and potential. It's a place where stars are born, live, and eventually meet their explosive ends. This cosmic beauty is not just a sight to behold, but a bustling hub of stellar activity. Within the celestial folds of the Trifid Nebula, the stars of tomorrow are taking shape. This captivating cosmic region is a stellar nursery where dense pockets of gas and dust come together to create the seeds of future stars. Imagine for a moment a vast expanse of space teeming with these cosmic seeds, waiting for the right conditions to spring into life. To understand the birth of a star, we must delve into the heart of these dense pockets. They are like cosmic cocoons where the gases and dust are held together by gravity. As these pockets become denser, they begin to collapse under their own weight, forming a hot, dense core. This is the first stage of a star's life, known as a protostar. As the protostar continues to grow, it eventually reaches a critical point where the pressure and temperature within the core are so immense, nuclear fusion begins. This is the moment a star is born, radiating energy and light into the cosmos. Within the Trifid Nebula, this process is happening on a grand scale. Clusters of stars are being born, creating dazzling displays of light and color, but not all stars share the same fate. Some of these newly formed stars are so massive they live fast and die young, ending their lives in spectacular explosions known as supernovae. These supernovae release vast amounts of energy, sending shockwaves throughout the nebula, triggering the birth of even more stars. This cyclical process of birth and death, creation and destruction, paints a vivid picture of the life cycle of stars. It's a cosmic dance that has been happening for billions of years and will continue for billions more. The Trifid Nebula, with its stellar cradle, paints a vivid picture of the life cycle of stars. From its discovery in the 18th century to our current understanding, the Trifid Nebula continues to intrigue and inspire. This celestial wonder, with its glistening tendrils of gas and dust, has become a cosmic laboratory for astronomers worldwide. As they probe its depths, each new revelation brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of star birth and the universe itself. The Trifid Nebula's intricate structures, a result of the interplay between gas and dust, have a significant role in dictating the future of star formation. You see, these dense pockets of material serve as the stellar nurseries where future suns are currently in the making. By studying these regions, scientists can piece together the complex processes that lead to the birth of stars. But the Trifid Nebula isn't just about star birth, it's also a tale of stellar death. The nebula is home to massive stars which, at the end of their life cycle, will explode into spectacular supernovae. These cataclysmic events will further sculpt the nebula, seeding it with the elements necessary for the next generation of stars. It's a cycle of cosmic life and death, playing out right before our telescopic eyes. In all its grandeur, the Trifid Nebula offers us a window into the universe's past, present, and potential future. Its study helps astronomers understand not just the birth and death of stars, but also the evolution of galaxies and the very fabric of the cosmos itself. It's a testament to the power of celestial objects to shape our understanding of the universe. And so, the tale of the Trifid Nebula continues, its cosmic saga unfolding with each new discovery. From an 18th century discovery to a cosmic nursery of stars, the Trifid Nebula is truly a wonder of the universe. This mesmerizing region, located in the constellation Sagittarius, was first unveiled to us by French astronomer Charles Messier back in 1764. Its unique three-lobed appearance, which gave it its name, continues to captivate us to this day. This nebula is not just a beautiful spectacle, it's a bustling hub of stellar birth. With an estimated mass 8,000 times that of our Sun and spanning about 40 light-years, it's a significant part of our universe. Within its intricate gas and dust tendrils, newborn stars ignite, illuminating the nebula and creating ionized hydrogen gas. The interplay between dust and gas shapes the nebula's intricate structures and influences the future of star formation. The Trifid Nebula also houses clusters of young massive stars, which will one day explode in supernova, further enriching the cosmos. As we gaze at the night sky, remember the Trifid Nebula, a testament to the breathtaking beauty and complexity of our universe.